we we are gathering as gods. What does that mean, right? Our ability to judge and to bring judgment, our ability to decree and declare, our ability to speak and things happen, that's our God positions. That's our God natures. That's us operating in the God offices that we had been assigned, right? So our gathering is not only as children of God in terms of our relationship with God, a vertical perspective, in terms of our reality, meaning our relationship with God, right? But our gathering is also gathering of gods in terms of horizontal perspective, our operation in this realm, because God has made us gods here on earth, that we are able to decree things and they happen. We're able to declare things and they happen. We're able to judge circumstance and situation and our judgment becomes final. That we are able to change situations by our words. Here on earth, God has given us the office of gods because when we speak, things happen. If you study throughout the entirety of the Old Testament, right, you will see that every time God speaks, his word always comes to pass. Because he says in Isaiah chapter 53 that my word will not come out my mouth and not fulfill the mandate in which I had sent it out to do. Right? So that very nature and that operation of God, that when he speaks, right, there is a report that whatever he has said has been done. That's the very same nature and office which he has given us. Hence why we are called gods. Listen, you cannot operate as God if you do not. We cannot operate as gods if we do not understand who God is. If he is God and we are gods, right, we then have to get our education from him, because the office that we have been given comes from him, right? So the obtaining of our education from him has to do with the understanding of how does a God operate and what can a God do. Right? So once you set your focus on who God is, once you set your focus on knowing who God is, once you set your focus on understanding this God and reading his word and studying and meditating upon, you'll come to a point whereby you not only know him, but in knowing him, you've then understood the office that he has given you. Because the office that he has given you is